welcome to 2023. Woo, woo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 23. Make it happen. No excuses. Don't want to hear it. Let's go. 2023. Let's go. Yeah, man. Tradition again, 2023 in Dairy Queen. There she is, Molly Maria. That's right, Molly Maria. And my sister. Yes, it is. That's her. And there's my sister. Oof. Eat that. Take 5. Yeah, man. Definitely. We got the Take 5. We got the Oreo. And we had another one. My Brian did the brownie batter or something, I believe. But this is brownie batter extreme. This was good. Yeah, man. 2023. Let's go. Krispy Kreme donuts. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, man. Ooh, what is going on? We're here. Ooh, you've seen it. Trying those minis. And we're going to try one of these Santa Bellies. Telling you, Krispy Kreme. All the way. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ooh, Entenmann cake truffles. Yeah, man. Is that cookies and cream? Woohoo! Ooh, eating those Entenmann's. Cookies and cream. Truffles. Let's go. Yeah, man. So good. Oh, Twix, cookie dough, Twix, cookie dough, Twix. Ooh, welcome to 2023. Ooh, we're going to try some cookie dough. You know this, man. Let's try this. What side is it? Just depends. I think it's the left side, but it could be the right side. I don't need a lot of chocolate besides this Hershey's, but this Twix got it going on. Oh, man.